Air move, or you're going to be in a picture?
Oh. This freaking takes too long to do that.
Yeah, I'm ready to work.